What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Young and Intelligent Money Investing. I am Chase, and today we are going to talk about how to make money when tech stocks are down. But before we get started, I want to just show some appreciation to the guys who have been commenting on this channel, showing some love. So, just a couple names I want to shout out: Ruthless Bone, ROBINHOOD Investing, and Joe B. Thank you guys for the comments, and I'd love to hear more input from you guys on this video as well. So, we're here in active hours trading. We're doing okay. We lost pretty much all of our gains from yesterday and ended up a little bit down, but overall I'm okay with where we're at. We're up 9% overall. But a big part of what's been driving this market volatility lately has been the tech stocks. There's been a huge sell-off lately. Some of that's coming back today, but as you can see from this chart over the last week, it's been insanely volatile. So when there's volatility, there's always going to be opportunity to be able to buy low and sell high. So I want to show you guys a way that you guys can short stocks on Robinhood. So shorting, if you don't know, is basically when you borrow a stock and you sell it and then you buy it back at a lower price and give it back to the person who owned the stock originally. On Robinhood doesn't give you the ability to do that, but you can buy what's called an inverse ETF. One like SQQQ here. This one is a 3 times inverse ETF to the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ tech stocks. So as you can see, we saw that QQQ was up about 0.8 today, so SQQQ was down about negative 2.4%. But as you can see over the last week, there's been huge swings in QQQ, and it's up almost 5%. And anybody in 1 week would say yes to a 5% gain. So if you can buy and sell SQQQ, but what I would warn against is holding this thing long term at all. Because if we look at this 5-year chart, it is down from $650 down to $22. So that's absolutely not one you want to hold long term, but it's definitely worth a look in the short term. And I know there's other inverse ETFs, but I think SQQQ is one of the best ones, just because of the way that there's the 3 times multiplier basically, and these tech stocks are so volatile and they're a little bit more predictable than the rest of the market. But as I had said, you definitely do not want to hold this long term, because obviously this tech stocks, and it's a pretty big bull market right now. We're just kind of taking a temporary sell-off, but I imagine it'll go back to this bull market that we've had for a long time relatively soon. So definitely stay away from this long term. I wouldn't even hold this overnight, because you never know when it's going to happen. That there's a day like today when it's negative 2.3%, and you never want to take that big of a loss in a day on a position if you can avoid it. Yeah, so if you open this up this morning, you were down 2.44% within a half hour, which is absolutely not where you want to be. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick one, trying to inform you guys about how to short stocks on Robinhood, because it really doesn't make it obvious, and if you don't know about these inverse ETFs, you're never going to have any idea how to short the stock. So please leave me some feedback down below. Let me know if you've used these inverse ETFs before, and give me some stock suggestions too. I appreciate all the support from all the new people on the channel. We're actually growing at a decent pace for how many videos I have up, so that's been great. I just love seeing all the support from you guys, and it really keeps me going making these videos. Alright, have a good one, guys. See ya.